contentious thing, that is right to freedom of religion and religious conversion. ठीक है, तो हम इसको क्यों डील कर रहे हैं? Because two states, namely UP and UP has brought an ordinance and MP is trying to bring an ordinance on the same issue that restricts basically MP's धार्मिक स्वतंत्रता. The act's name is Freedom of Religion Bill 2020, but we'll see what it does. The prohibition of unlawful conversion of religion ordinance 2020, this has been brought by Uttar Pradesh. And right to freedom of religion, marriage as a fundamental right under Article 21. Why news? Because UP government enacted the prohibition of, the act is the prohibition of unlawful conversion of religion ordinance 2020. It was an ordinance. The government took the ordinance route. It was not a legislative act. Governments of Karnataka, Assam and Haryana are also considering the similar laws. What these laws seek to do is, they seek to regulate the religious conversion. ठीक है? तो UP ordinance, will see what the UP ordinance does. It prohibits conversion by force, misrepresentation, allurement, undue influence and marriage. ठीक है? Fraud and marriage. तो यहां तक तो इट्स ओके. ठीक है? राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन डज नॉट ग्रांट एनीवन द राइट ऑफ कन्वर्जन. ठीक है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन डज नॉट ग्रांट यू द राइट टू कन्वर्ट अदर पीपल इनटू योर ओन फेथ. ठीक है? तो यू कैन नॉट कन्वर्ट एनीवन थ्रू फोर्स, मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन, अल्यूरमेंट, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस एंड फ्रॉड. बट व्हाट द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज मैरिज. ठीक है? First of all, it criminalizes such conversion. ठीक है? But marriage itself is a civil thing. It is dealt under civil law, not under criminal law. Even divorce is dealt under civil laws and not under criminal laws. Marriage is moreover dealt by Hindus में marriage को Hindu Marriage Act. ठीक है? Hindu Marriage Act. It is a civil contract या it is a civil law या personal law. ठीक है? But reconversion to previous immediate religion is allowed. ठीक है? First of all, conversion, that means the first provision prohibits conversion. ठीक है? The second provision allows conversion back to the previous one. Fine. Second provision is the marriage can be annulled if sole purpose was to convert and vice versa. That means if anyone married for getting themselves converted, if anyone gets converted to get married, that will be void. ठीक है? This is very contentious provision in the sense कि the state or the courts should not have any locus standi on the personal space of people in the domain of religion, as to what religion one wants to follow and as to whom they want to marry and as to for what purpose they are converting. ठीक है? There is no scope of state's intervention as to why a person is converting himself. ठीक है? या why a person is marrying. तो there exists no scope for legislation on that, but still this law has been brought. Okay? Burden of proof lies on the converter to prove the unlawfulness of the conversion. ठीक है? Again, the burden of proof lies on the converter. ठीक है? This is like fundamental opposition to the law of natural justice. ठीक है? When you put the burden of proof on the converter, you assume that he is a criminal. ठीक है? Who can complain? And the most contentious, I would say, provisions are these one. Any aggrieved person, first of all, any other person related by blood, her parents or siblings. ठीक है? The people who have been converted, उनके पेरेंट्स या सिबलिंग्स कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं या उसके कोई भी रिलेटिव जो ब्लड से रिलेटेड है. दिस क्लॉज इज वेरी रिडिकुलस इन द सेंस कि एनी अग्रीड पर्सन, ओके, इफ आई थिंक दैट बिकॉज ऑफ समवन गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड, इवन इफ आई डोंट नो देम, आई एम अग्रीव्ड, तो आई कैन मेक अ कंप्लेंट. मतलब दिस इज very vague provision in the sense that it is very wide, first of all, and it does not stand the constitutional scrutiny. We'll see how. Mandates, और यहाँ पे और भी important provisions हैं इस एक्ट के. will dealing with them. It mandates that any person who wants to willingly convert has to give an advance notice of 2 months to the district magistrate. मतलब if I want to get converted, I will have to give a 2 month advance notice to district magistrate, and it requires the police to conduct an inquiry. ठीक है, the magistrate will order an inquiry. The magistrate will order an inquiry by the police to inquire if what is the purpose of my conversion. But what is the role of what is the role that state has in, what is the stake the state has in my conversion? It's simply ununderstandable. ठीक है, if the DM is satisfied that there is, the conversion is very much voluntary, it is not motivated by the purpose of marriage or anything like that, then he can allow the conversion, then the conversion can be valid. If the DM thinks that the conversion was for the purpose of marriage, then the conversion can be invalidated. This is in the fundamental contradiction with the law. ठीक है, only if the DM is satisfied that the conversion was for some purpose. ठीक है, if DM thinks that it was a voluntary conversion, no purpose was involved, then he can allow the conversion. The person converted shall make a declaration to the DM, which he shall, okay, after the conversion has taken place, after I have changed my religion, I will have to make a declaration to the DM, which the DM will put in public view for objections, and if a person complains against my conversion can be annulled. ठीक है, so this is very high-handedness in the in the domain of very personal laws as to how one should profess their religion. The state should not dictate that, but these laws have been brought, and they stand in the fundamental opposition to the constitutional values of right to religious freedom. Now we'll see what are the constitutional provisions regarding that. Regarding the promulgation of ordinance, first of all, it was the UP law was brought in by an ordinance. ठीक है, तो Article 123 and 213, Article 123 allows the central government to bring an ordinance. Article 213 allows the state government to bring an ordinance. ठीक है, but there are three things that are important. The president or the governor, as the case may be, is satisfied that the circumstances exist which render it necessary. ठीक है, there must be some circumstances which become very necessary for him to take immediate action. ठीक है, मतलब ऐसा कोई circumstance है जो कि बहुत immediate action के लिए कहता है, उस circumstance में an ordinance can be promulgated. ठीक है, he may promulgate such ordinances as the circumstances may appear him to require. The three preconditions therefore are: the legislature should not be in a session. ठीक है, ordinance can only be brought when in case of parliament, if either house is not in session. ठीक है, दूसरा, circumstance should exist for promulgating an ordinance. ठीक है, the third one is those circumstances should demand urgency. Urgency of action is very important. So the UP government, the ordinance that they brought, most of the state governments, the ordinance that they bring, or even the central government, they declare in the preamble itself the kind of urgency, the preamble of the act. ठीक है, उसमें वो declare करते हैं what is the kind of urgency. ठीक है, now Supreme Court has observed that it can't delve into the sufficiency of the circumstances. ठीक है, the Supreme Court has said that the advice tendered by the Council of Ministers, ठीक है, the advice tendered by the Council of Ministers to the president or to the governor is that cannot be inquired into by the courts. That is a constitutional provision. मतलब the advice that a Council of Ministers tends to president or to governor cannot be inquired into by the courts. ठीक है, but Supreme Court has also made an observation कि it cannot delve into the sufficiency of the circumstances. In case of ordinances, वाधवा case is very famous. ठीक है, please एक बार देख लीजिएगा आप लोग. तो Supreme Court has observed that it can't delve into the sufficiency of the circumstances, but it can inquire into the existence of circumstances. ठीक है, the Supreme Court said that कि it cannot go टू इंक्वायर कि जो सर्कमस्टांसेस एग्जिस्ट करते हैं वो सफिशिएंट या नेसेसरी सर्कमस्टांसेस हैं कि नहीं, दैट डिमांड अर्जेंट एक्शन, बट इट कैन डेफिनेटली इंक्वायर इनटू द फैक्ट कि सर्कमस्टांसेस एग्जिस्ट करते भी हैं या नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, फाइन. Okay, so these were regarding promulgation of ordinance. Now regarding the right of religion and right to marry, Article 25 says that freedom is right to freedom of religion, that is right to freedom of conscience, free profession. Profession मतलब the way I profess my religion, ठीक है, practice and propagation of religion, ठीक है. This last term, propagation of religion, was not in the original constitution. मतलब constitutional debates, if you read them, so it was later added. It was obviously in the original constitution, but it was added on the insistence of Christian community. ठीक है, Christian community के insistence पे इसे add किया गया because Christians said that propagation of their faith is an important propagation of the gospel of truth or the propagation of their faith is an important part of Christianity. So that becomes a necessary and integral part of their religion. ठीक है, तो उनके apprehensions को खत्म करने के लिए propagation of religion was also added. ठीक है, but Supreme Court has also made an observation in the propagation of religion कि you cannot induce or allure or by fraud you cannot convert someone just because it is an integral part of your religion. So but you cannot, that does not gives you the fundamental right to convert people. ठीक है, now what are the restrictions? The restriction is public order, morality, health and to the other provisions of part 3. Part 3 में जितने भी restrictions हैं उन सारे restrictions right to religion पे लगते हैं. ठीक है, राइट टू रिलीजन प्रीलिम्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये रिस्ट्रिक्शंस याद रखना. ठीक है, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स द यूपीएससी हैज आस्क्ड नाउ इज द टर्न ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. ठीक है, एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज आल्सो ऑब्जर्व दैट मैरिज ऑफ चॉइस इज राइट अंडर राइट टू लाइफ. ठीक है, आर्टिकल मैरिज राइट टू मैरी हैज बीन ग्रांटेड, मैरिज हैज बीन ग्रांटेड अंडर आर्टिकल 21, दैट इज मैरिज ऑफ चॉइस इज राइट अंडर right to life. ठीक है, that cannot be suspended in any case. There are other laws on religion. These are not the first states that have implemented them. ठीक है, several Indian states have enacted these laws prior to this one. ठीक है, primarily to prevent the conversion of people from other religions to Christianity. ठीक है, first state was Odisha. Odisha has a substantial amount of ट्राइबल पीपल. ठीक है, तो मिशनरीज एक्शन से को रोकने के लिए उड़ीसा इनेक्टेड दिस लॉ. ठीक है, इन 1967 वाज फर्स्ट सच स्टेट टू इम्प्लीमेंट लॉ बारिंग रिलीजियस कन्वर्शन थ्रू फोर्स एंड इंड्यूसमेंट और एंड अल्यूरमेंट. ठीक है, बट दिस इज फाइन, मैरिज हैज नॉट बीन इंक्लूडेड इन दिस, बट नन ऑफ दीज लॉज इनवैलिडेटेड मैरिज. ठीक है, तो Supreme Christian missionaries have opposed such laws on the grounds that propagation of Christianity was an important aspect of their religion. But Supreme Court made the observation, as I already told, that right of religion, right of propagation of religion does not necessarily grant you the right to convert other people. ठीक है, you cannot claim it as a fundamental right. Fine. So that sums up the lecture for today. I hope you understood it. Okay, if there are some things we need to talk about is about the preparation. ठीक है, तो दो तीन चीजें जरूरी हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज रिविजन, और करंट अफेयर्स को डील करने के लिए सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यू आर मेकिंग योर ओन नोट्स. ठीक है, वॉट एवर यू स्टडी प्लीज मेक नोट्स फ्रॉम देम, एंड वेन एवर यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम you can refer these videos, of course, but making notes for yourself and making interconnections between the issues. ठीक है, like we made the interconnection between Forest Right Act and Biodiversity Act 2002. ठीक है, तो ऐसे इंटरकनेक्शंस बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड लिंकेजेस बहुत करना बहुत जरूरी है, so that you can like in mains when you are writing an answer. ठीक है, तो you have to be very comprehensive in the sense that you don't have to explain everything in the layman terms, but you have to establish linkages and you have to establish more of them so that the examiner may understand कि you are having a, as an executive, when you are on the ground, you will be having a proper knowledge of all these things, as to you are not having a singular view of an issue. ठीक है? And whenever you are I hope you are practicing answer writing also. So whenever you are practicing answer writings, don't try to take sides. Okay, have a very balanced approach as the question demands. ठीक है? जब जो भी क्वेश्चन का डायरेक्टिव है, लाइक क्रिटिकली एनालाइज, इन चीज़ों को आप बहुत ध्यान से पढ़िए. और प्रीलिम्स ओरिएंटेड करंट अफेयर्स के लिए revision is the key. As again I say, revision is the key. So if you are having any problems, please drop your comments in the comment section. I shall be more than happy to answer them. That concludes the lecture for the day. We'll be meeting in the next lecture. Till then, take care.